key. This is my brand new Mazda here. These are the seats. This is the back right seat. And here's the seat belt test. And there's the seat belt for the back right seat. Seat belt comes on and off. Here's the other seat. And there's the seat belt. Oops. Seat belt on and off. And looks like we have a third seat belt there in case we needed it. This is the third seat belt back here. And the driver's seat belt. The driver's seat there. Seat belt works. And then the front passenger seat belt. There's the front passenger seat belt. On and off. You can see the seat condition. It's a brand new car, so the seats are in still a real good shape. Thank you very much.